Investing and buying companies in the stock market is simple. It is. You've just been conditioned to believe that it's hard. And in fact, you're already a great investor, but you probably just don't know it yet. So I'll prove it to you in this video. Welcome to. My name is Noble, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the secret of investing. It's just shopping. It's just shopping. So let's start here. Let's dive into it. What's your favorite cereal? Is it Special K? Is it Raisin Bran? Fruit Loops? Cocoa Pebbles? Actually, forget about yours for a second. We're going to use mine. Let's talk about Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Now think about this. What's the highest price and the lowest price you've ever seen it for? Right about now, your brain is pulling together all these different images, pictures from various prices over various stores across the years that you've been buying cereal. What if we could compile all this data and all those pictures into something that's a little bit more manageable, something easier to understand, something like a chart, right? A line chart. And let's say we could make this line chart go back roughly about a year. So let's do this. It's pretty easy to see if you take a look that the highest price is about $4 per box, while the lowest price is about $1.99. And we generally range from those lows to that high. It looks like we bounce from the high to the low every couple of months. And with just this information, just this little bit of information, I can ask you one really important question. What is the best price to buy this cereal at? What's the best price? Now let's assume two things. One, you love buying things at the lowest price possible. Who doesn't? And number two, let's assume that you're incredibly patient and you have no issues at all waiting for those low prices to come. Now, if we look at this chart one more time, you can see clearly the easiest, simplest answer is that the best price to buy was $1.99. There's nobody watching this, and in all the seminars I've done, nobody ever says $4. The answer is $1.99. And here's what I want to note for you though. You didn't need to have an advanced business degree to know that. You didn't have to be rich and come from a really wealthy family to know that. And it did not take you a lot of time or a long amount of time to sit and process what that best price was. It was simple and it was easy. You just had to see it. So this concept that you already knew, but didn't really know that you knew, is called support and resistance. Investors use it all the time. And essentially what it means is support is a price floor. It means that prices generally or historically have had trouble going lower than certain levels or certain prices. And resistance is the opposite. It's a price ceiling. We've had trouble going higher than a certain price over a range of time. And for my folks who work out, I know you're probably thinking about support and resistance bands, right? Support and resistance bands, same concept. Those bands are basically used by people who work out who want to essentially strengthen their muscles by using this band, which basically gives them a certain level of resistance, right? So the same concept is working. In the same way that investors can only stretch or push prices so far. And this concept, it works all the time and you see it on everything. I'm talking about Apple, Google, Amazon, Netflix, Twitter, Macy's, Tiffany's, foreign exchange currencies, futures contracts, everything that you can trade and make money on. This support and resistance concept applies to. So let's take a look at a chart for fun. Now, I say this all the time, and sometimes people look at me a little bit crazy when I say it, but it's just the honest truth. The recession of 2008 was just a huge sale on the entire stock market. It probably was the biggest and best sale most of us will see in our lifetime. So let's go back about 20 years. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the SPY, known as the spiders. It's called the S&P 500, which essentially is what they call a broad market index, which is just a real big way of saying this is like the all-star team, 500 of the biggest, best companies in the league. And as you can see on the chart, resistance was basically at a price level of a range, let's say about 150 to 155. And support over a period of years was found at around 72 to 77. It's super clear, easy to see. And if you remember the news reports during the end of the recession, these were the big questions. How low is the market going to go? How bad is it going to get? When is this selling? When is this massive selling of assets and stock? When is it going to stop? And let's be honest, to answer the question, all you needed was a chart, a little bit of knowledge, and some confidence. The lows of the recession were basically the exact same lows, the same support prices from 1997 and 2002. So that means we had an 11-year period, 11-year heads up to be able to analyze this and be able to make some strategic plans in case the market came down, which it did. Now, this is no different. Mind you, this is no different than the cereal example. It's the exact same concept working. And here's the thing, if you would have bought at that support level down around 72 bucks, the Dow Jones, the S&P, specifically the S&P, right now in 2017, you'd be sitting on a 330% return. So if this video and mini lecture resonates and gets you excited about learning how to invest in the world's greatest market, the stock market, then look no further. Limitless Class is your online resource, and it is the best, simplest, most innovative class that's out. For more information, free courses, and to register for Limitless, simply log on at limitlessclass.com and make sure you check out the register video, which goes through all the details of the course itself. Or just click the link below. I want to thank you for watching. Make sure you share this video with someone that you love and someone that you care about, who you know needs to seriously start thinking about buying companies and owning, instead of just being a consumer and just buying all the products. Thanks so much for watching.